Okay, the way we handle problems, we're here on page 1 of lesson 9.1, and I have problem A, B, C, and D that you were to work through. And the way we're going to do this is, if you have not yet done these problems, go ahead and pause this video and work on them on your own, and then come back and take a look. When you come back, I want you to fast forward through this video until you see the answers. And once you see the answers and you have it right, continue to move on. If you do not have it correct, I want you to go ahead and rewind and look at how to do the problem. All right, let's take a look at this first one. We have 3 comma 5 pi over 3. So remember your unit circle. I just pulled this in so we could see it. 5 pi over 3 is located right here. So it's at 300 degrees, which is 30 degrees east of 270. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a ray that is about 30 degrees east of 270. And then my value here is 3. So I'm going to mark 1, 2, 3 units. That's where I'm going to put my dot, and that would be 3 comma 5 pi over 3. So that's A. B, I'm looking at 2 negative pi over 4. So 2 pi over 4 is here. That goes this direction, that's positive. And negative pi over 4 would actually be down here. You subtract it from 2 pi. So I could do 2 pi minus pi over 4, and that would give me 7 pi over 4. So I know that's how I know what this is. All right, so let's look at B. It's negative pi over 4, which we said was right here. That's 315. So it's going to look very similar to the last one we did, except it's going to split the difference here. So it's going to go like this. So that's my ray. And then my value is 2. So I'm going to mark 1, 2. So I have 2 comma negative pi over 4. So that's B. Let's look at C. C is 3, 0. So I'm looking at my angle here. My angle is 0 degrees. So this is 0 degrees. And then I'm marking it 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is actually going to be 3 comma 0. What's interesting about this one is that my polar coordinate and my rectangular coordinate are actually identical here. Okay, let's look at D. D is negative 2 and pi over 4. Again, we know where pi over 4 is. That's right here. So it splits right there. So I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw my ray here. Okay. However, this is a negative. So that negative means that I have to go the opposite direction. So I'm going to take this ray this way in another color just so that you can see the difference. And then I'm going to mark it with just the absolute value of 2, or negative 2, which is 2. So it's going to be 1, 2. So this mark right here would be negative 2 pi over 4. Okay, so those are your answers for the problems.